A former United Conservative Party member booted from caucus for not supporting the provincial budget is speaking out, saying he still plans to represent his constituents.
Politically, this might not be the process, and people have told me this is not how you do things, it's not how you do things. I understand that, and I did try through the regular streams that we have, and I just felt like my voice wasn't being heard.
The MLA for Lesser Slave Lake initially shared his concerns on social media, raising concerns with a $5 billion deficit and an increase in funding to Edmonton and Calgary, not seeing enough for Northern Alberta when it comes to highways and healthcare.
My intentions were to highlight the urgency and priorities of our government spending, which is too much, number one. We can't afford to make, we ballooned our budget to $80 billion.
Sinclair saying rural health care has reached rock bottom.
In Scott's community, there's actually, it's slated to receive a new ambulance, EMS ambulance facility.
The health minister saying they are working to address rural health care concerns, but the mayor of Slave Lake is supporting Sinclair.
We have regular ER closures. We've had at least 2 in the last year. Our OR has been closed for at least a year. You can't have babies in our community. I have a highway that has killed people, many people we know, and not from drunk drivers. This is due to the conditions of the highway itself.
The community has had issues with MLAs in the past. In 2021, former UCP MLA Pat Wren was accused by municipal leaders of not representing his constituents.
And now we have an MLA that is doing their job, that is listening to their constituents, and he hasn't voted against the budget yet. What he said was, I can't support this budget as it stands. So how could there not have been more conversations surrounding the budget?
Opposition NDP leader Naheed Nenshi believes booting Sinclair is a sign of a bigger issue.
Premier Smith should look to the example of, Ed Stelmach, Alison Redford, Jason Kenney, previous leaders of the Conservative movement who could not manage their caucus, who acted imperial, and eventually their caucus revolted on them.
Monday, Alberta officially beginning the process to create a new lower income tax bracket that could see Albertans save up to $750 a year, but push the province further into debt. When asked about Sinclair, Finance Minister Nate Horner saying caucus members are expected to support the budget, and they tried to explain it to Sinclair.
We did our best to show what was really in the budget around things that were important to him, what it meant for his riding, whether that be transportation or healthcare or otherwise.
Sinclair says he hopes there is a way back into the UCP caucus. Reporting from Edmonton, Darcy Ropchan, City News.